Hey guys, I know I haven't posted for some time. On Christmas, we lost Dad, and I'm at a shop right now. I want to kind of show you what's going on in here. Hope to do some videos in here about what's going on. There's an incredible amount of stuff in here. As you can see, this place is absolutely insane. It's just a little bit of everything. And it goes up. There's a storage cubby up there that goes and turns right. It's probably 10 feet by 20. It turns right. So anyways, if you guys would like to find out about some of the curiosities in here, I'd really like to hear some feedback. And over there in the corner there's a building, like a structure room, 10 by 10. And then there's another one up there, 10 by 10. This is some more of that storage up there. So I suspect I'll be taking years and years and years cleaning and organizing this place. But anyway, Dad, we'll miss you, and I certainly appreciate everything you taught me about electrical and motors and stuff like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.